Unifly is a software company which is specifically focusing on the safe integration of drones. It requires a lot of customization and flexibility on the testing environment, on how we approach testing, how we do the actual testing, how we report on that towards our customers. And what we found out is that working with Ciklum really was a game changer for us in that respective.
Using our wide experience, we were able to identify a list of potential improvements in the QA area and overall application development process. We switched to the best on the market test management tool and created test suites for all applications and all brands in the Unifly.
What we really liked with Ciklum was a holistic approach for both manual and automated testing. Now Ciklum brought the full picture for us, so we had the test harness. At the same time also we have people on the Ciklum team embedded with our own development teams who are taking care of the manual quality assurance. And this nice combination of manual and automated web and mobile testing was something that we could not easily identify into the market.
The established QA test process allowed us to start finding gaps in the requirements in the initial stages of the development. As a result of our collaboration, proper QA practices were established.
In the collaboration with Ciklum, the great net results that we achieved was actually obviously a reduction in bugs, a better quality product, and what is actually the most important, being able to spend more time with our customers and developing great new functionality for them.